Hi guys, and welcome to another episode. Today we're actually taking a look at some audio upgrades I've done, both for videos to YouTube and for streaming. And actually one of the things I've upgraded is this guy over here, the microphone. And I must confess though, I've already made this video before, but when I was going to start editing everything, unfortunately I made a mistake of deleting every file I had. So all my photos, all my B-roll, the video I made, everything is gone. Even I make mistakes, and yeah, it's only human, so what can you do? So I have to start over here and make everything work again with some B-roll and stuff. Although I really miss my B-roll before I unboxed everything, but those are gone, so let's make the most of it, out of it. Like I said, an audio upgrade here, but first let's tackle the elephant in the room, and that's my mustache. As you can see, I have a mustache at the moment, and I've been saving it just for this month. Like you probably know, it's November, and that means it's Movember. So I want to show my support for testicle cancer, I think it's called. I've donated some money to it, and I wanted to show off that I'm actually a supporter and I support the cause. And it's one way for me to show that I actually care about stuff like that. Even like the female version of it, we have here in Sweden a pink ribbon, more or less. You put on your jacket in a specific time as well to show your support for breast cancer, and I do that as well. So yeah, I just wanted to support a cause like this, and I think it's important to support it. So the first thing of all, let's compare some. I've made some audio files here with my old microphone, the blue Snowball, and the new system, the Audio-technica AT-2020 with the Zoom U-24. And let's compare the two. So here's two clips. This is my old microphone, the blue Snowball. This microphone is an old workhorse of mine. I've been using it for streams, for voiceovers on videos, for communicating with my friends, and I really like this microphone, and I can really recommend it if you're starting a podcast or if you're starting to stream or anything like that. But it was time for me for an upgrade, and the new microphone is the AT-2020 with the Zoom U-24. So this is a sound test with the AT-2020 with the Zoom U-24, and actually I think it sounds really awesome. I'm so pleased with the sound quality on this microphone, and I have more power to give to gain more audio quality out of this, so I can boost the microphone and stuff like that even more if I want to. But I'm quite pleased at the levels they are at the moment. Maybe going to tinker around a little bit with it. I'm sorry that I don't have a pop filter yet. And now you've heard both of them, and hopefully you can decide for yourself what is what and what sounds better for you, and hopefully you can hear the difference. I am not a huge enthusiast and really skilled at hearing different differences between microphones and speakers and stuff like that, so I have some trouble with it sometimes, but I think I can hear quite a nice and quite a huge difference between both microphones here. So I really like this microphone, and as you can see, it's in frame right at the moment. It's just because I'm using it right now. So I have it connected to my G80, and I'm picking up the sound with this one right now. And it works really well, I think. But like I said in the beginning, I'm only going to use this setup when I'm sitting here at my desk, because the microphone is here, the mixer is here, so I can't have it with me everywhere I shoot different videos. So sometimes when I do videos here near my desk, I can use it, but not when I maybe shoot something in the living room or in the server room or whatever. So yeah, that's the case anyway. The nice thing, and if I can recommend this, it's almost the same reason. The nice thing about this setup is that you have an upgrade path. So with the Snowball, you're stuck with that one, but you can't upgrade. Of course, you can buy a totally new microphone, a Yeti maybe, or a Razer Siren, of course. But in this case, you can always upgrade. So you can upgrade your microphone, the condenser microphone, or you can upgrade the mixer, the audio interface. So if you want more features like me, my next upgrade path is a better USB audio interface, a better mixer, instead of the Zoom U-24, like something that you have a equalizer, I think it's called, on those as well, where you can tune the bass and the treble and the mids, and you have a filter as well, so it compresses the audio more. So if I shout here really loud and I see the audio meter goes through the roof, it compresses that so it doesn't peak that much, and that's a nice feature, but that's an upgrade for later. I'm really pleased right at the moment with the setup I have. And the condenser microphone here, I don't think I'm going to change that for a while. The only thing I need for this microphone is actually a pop filter, because it's really popping. So is this something for you? Yeah, I think so. Do you have plans for streaming, or maybe doing a podcast or doing YouTube videos like this? I think you should probably consider it. You have different types of paths to go here. You can go for something USB, or you can do something like this, a real condenser microphone. Although I think when you're starting off with YouTube, with podcasting, with streaming, it's fine to start with something simple like the blue Snowball. It's a cheaper microphone and it does really good audio for you. So the quality of the audio is really good. So start off there and work your way up, I think. So you can even buy this microphone, but in a USB version, so you don't have to use a mixer or audio interface if you want to, and it sounds more or less the same actually. But I wanted the option to actually upgrade, have a path of upgrade, instead of buying one of these but in USB type instead, and plugging that in, and you're stuck with that. So I thought to myself, okay, I will buy this instead. Do I recommend this? Yes, I do actually, and hopefully you understand why. When you heard the comparisons between the Snowball and the AT-2020 here, you understand why I upgraded. And like you probably know, my streams at the moment, the video quality of those streams aren't good. But next month I actually get better internet here at home, so then the quality of the videos for my streams are going to be better, but at the moment they aren't great. So I wanted my audio at least to be good, so I wanted to upgrade it for you so you can at least see some type of image but hear me crystal clear when I stream. And of course, when we're talking about streams as well, I'm going to share this stream here. Maybe not this weekend, we'll see, but next weekend maybe. I share this stream for just testicle cancer. And I hope you guys will watch me then and maybe contribute to the cause. I think this is a really good thing to do. And I wanted to just be involved in it, do something nice. So I thought, why not do a charity stream and send it on Twitch, and of course upload it later to YouTube as well. So guys, I hope you liked this video. You know what to do. Check out my merchandise in the description below. Check out the links to the different stuffs I had here, and hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content from me in the future. So see you guys later, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.